What's going on YouTube? This is BXMama718 back at you with another video unboxing, and today I have the Asus ROG Rapture GT-AXE16000. Yes, this is a Wi-Fi 6E quad band gaming router. Okay, and I needed to improve my bandwidth, throughput, and range from my older router, and that older router was a $200-something Asus gaming router, which served very well. However, it didn't have the range and the throughput at that range that I would like upstairs in my house. So I got this to replace it. I've been eyeing this for about 5 months before it was available for me to purchase, but I got it. Go ahead and go over some specs with you guys and go from there. All right, so I purchased this for $699.99 from Asus.com. Yes, this is a grip that costs a lot of money, and I'm hoping that every penny that I invested into it, I'm going to get a huge ROI. And that remains to be seen, but that's what I'm hoping for. Going into the specs, the model name for this is GT-AXE16000. Okay. This has 8 external antennas that are non-detachable, and it has 4 internal antennas. It has a 2 gigahertz quad-core processor, 256 megabytes of NAND flash, and 2 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. It has boost speeds, OFDMA, orthogonal frequency division, multiple access, beamforming, 1024-QAM high data rate, and 2040-80 160 megahertz bandwidth. It has one 2.5 gigabit WAN port, 2 10 gigabit WAN / LAN ports, 4 gigabit LAN ports, 1 USB 3.2 Gen 1 port, 1 USB 2.0 port. Okay, and the power that it takes, let's see, it says AC input 110 volts, DC output 19 volts with max at 3.42 current, and in the package we have the RJ45 cable, a power adapter, quick start guide, warranty card, and the actual router itself. All right, it also has features like AI mesh, where you can, which I probably would do, is pair it with the old Asus router that I have and turn that old Asus router into an access point upstairs or downstairs. We'll see. It also has AI protection, which is their malicious, has malicious site blocking, two-way IPS, infected device prevention and blocking, router security assessment, etc. It does have an Alexa support skill if you're interested in that, and then it has a host of other things that I'm just going to stop right there, but you can definitely take a look at it in the link in the description below to see more of the details. All right, so again, to show you around the box, we're going to cut it open and we're going to unbox it. All right, so looking at the box, we have Republic of Gamers over here, we have Wi-Fi 6E over here, ROG Rapture GT AXE16000 or 16000, excuse me, Wi-Fi 6E quad band gaming router. Asus, it says 16,000 megabits per second, quad band, 10 gigabit port. It's 2 of them, a 2.5 gigabit port, quad core 64-bit CPU, has AI protection, it has game acceleration and AI mesh, and it also has Asus Aura RGB. All right. Okay, let's go ahead and turn it around. Right on this side, we have the ROG Rapture GT AXE16000 Wi-Fi 6E quad band gaming router. Asus is here, and Public of Gamers is over there to the left. Okay. All right, and over here to the right, we have specifications. So it goes into the interface, antenna, memory, operating frequency, data rate, encryption, power adapter, dimension, weight is 5.34 pounds. So it's heavy. And package contents. Okay. All right, on the back, we have all of this advertisement fluff. Quad band up to 16,000 megabits per second, flexible network port configuration, built as the ultimate AI mesh router, 5 gigahertz dedicated backhaul, 6 gigahertz backhaul, etc. All right, and then on the bottom is all that sensitive information that I don't show you guys. All right, so we can go ahead and unbox this thing. It is in shrink wrap, so we gotta cut that loose. All right, there we go. There we go. All right, there's a little notch right here where all the sensitive information is, a little notch right here. All right, where we can lift it up. All right, let's take a look, see what we're working with. Okay, first thing here is a VIP warranty notice. Having trouble, call us at Advanced Wi-Fi Helper Tip. Check the driver software for wireless adapters. Check the model of your wireless adapter. Update driver version to 20.70.0 or later. And then more information. On the back, there's nothing. All right. I think that's it for the paperwork. Wow, look at this thing. This thing is huge. Wow. All right, let's see what else is in here. All right, there is a Ethernet cable. There is a power cord, power adapter, some more paperwork, quick start guide in English, quick start guide in another language, and that's about it. Keep the quick start guide out. In the power. Okay. All right, so let's close this. Let's put this thing on top of it. Wow. Okay, let's lift up these antennas. Take the plastic off. All right, this thing looks otherworldly. Look at that. Hopefully I have room for it, but yeah, this is looking kind of incredible. So let's go around the device. At the front, you still have a plastic peel here. At the top, you have a plastic peel here with mirror finish. You have venting here, venting over here. Let's see, on this side, you have a WPS and an LED button. This side, you have a host of ports. Here's your LAN 1, LAN 2, LAN 3, LAN 4. Here's your WAN, 2.5 gigabit, 10 gigabit. And here's your one via 10 gigabit, 10 gigabit 2 over here. There's a reset hole right here. On this side is the port for power right here. And then you have the power switch here, USB 2.0, USB 3.0 right here, okay? All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna power it on so we can take a look at what that ROG Eye looks like. Right, plug in the power cord. I'll take the prong protector off. Stick it in the wall. We're gonna hit the power button. There we go. Look at that. Turn it around so you can see it. That looks incredible. Look at that. Okay. And that was the unboxing of the Asus ROG Rapture GT-AXE16000 Wi-Fi 6E quad band gaming router. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and also share this video everywhere. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace.